Hi dreamers, I am so excited. I am in Miami and I am by myself. Actually, I'm with one of my friends, Francine, for a huge adventure. Can you guys figure out what my adventure is today? Maybe behind me, you can get a clue? We are going on the brand new Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas cruise ship. So excited, this cruise ship looks amazing. And girlfriend getaway, we are gonna go and have a blast for this preview cruise. Are you guys excited? Leave a comment. I know you guys love it when we cruise, and this one is a first look at this brand new ship. Let's go. Thank you. We are here. This ship looks huge too. Francine, are you excited? Welcome aboard. Allison and Francine. So it was really easy to get on board. We actually just had the mobile app. They scanned it. I'm assuming our room keys are in our room, but this is so cool. Starbucks. We're gonna head to our room first. We got here a little bit late, so we can head to our room first and drop off our stuff, and then probably go get some lunch somewhere. You guys ready? So I think we have a balcony on this cruise, which will be fun. And they said that we had a key that works, one works in the front and one works in the back. I don't quite know what that means. Do you know what that means, Francine?
No, one of the keys is on the inside, one of the keys is on the outside.
One of the keys is, oh, that makes more sense. Way more sense. It's a good thing I'm not in charge. So it's cool. So basically we used our mobile app to get on the ship, and then kind of like Carnival, our key is gonna be waiting for us at the room, which is such a simple process. I love it. Are we there yet? Oh, this is cute. I like this. So it's got like a little sleeper sofa. There's actually a clear definition between the bed, see there's the bed, and then like the sleeping area and the couch, which is awesome. Oh, I love the artwork. Royal always has such cool artwork. This is awesome. Nice big bed. Oh, look at the ladybug. That means good luck, right? Ladybugs are good luck. That's so cool. This is awesome. This room is really good size. Like, it's got the bed right there, and then that huge living room area, and then the bathroom's back there. This is actually, if you guys can see, this is really good size. This is a big stateroom. And then the best part is the balcony. This room is has an oversized balcony. Let's go check out. Oop, as I dropped the camera. Let's go check out outside. Ooh, we get a nice view. Oh, of our car. I see our car. This is a huge balcony. Holy moly. This is awesome. And there's the ship. Yay! We're only here for a couple of nights, a super quick cruise, but we are going to try to do as much as we can for you guys while we're on board. But you know what time it is right now. I can't see because it's so sunny. Tim, room tour time. Take it away, man. on the Royal Caribbean ships how they actually put the date right in the elevator so you know what date it is. Today is, well, bam, Tuesday. All right, time for our favorite, the muster drill. And we're indoors. Gotta love that.
Cuando suene la señal de emergencia, diríjase directamente a su estación de reunión, donde recibirá información.
We just found the most important part of our cruise. The ice cream. All you can eat ice cream your entire cruise. Best ever. Symphony of the Seas is about to leave Miami, and as soon as it does, we're gonna hop on this little baby right there. That is the ultimate abyss. It's a slide, like a crazy slide that goes like 14 stories down. That's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, it is time for dinner. So we talk about it all the time, but I have my trusty Downy wrinkle releaser because there are no irons in our stateroom. So you can either find a laundry room or I just use this bad boy. So this is what we're using. Just spray it on. That's it. How easy is that? Don't forget your Downy wrinkle releaser on your cruise. I'm telling you, it's super valuable. You can tell it is evening, it's time for dinner, and people are dancing, the entertainment's going. We're gonna go see a show called 1977, which is a new ice skating show. So poor Hunter's not here to see it with us, but I'm very excited because it looks pretty amazing. Ice skating show was really cute. It was very fast paced. So it was kind of tough kind of keeping up with the storyline and everything going on, but it was really fun and the ice skaters were amazing. So then right after that, we headed to dinner at the main dining room. I got the lobster bisque. It was really good. They actually had vegetables in the lobster bisque. I've never had vegetables in lobster bisque before, but it was really good. And then I had beef tenderloin for my appetizer or for my entree. So delicious, so good. Also came with potatoes. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And I skipped dessert this time just because I'm already so stuffed, but dinner was delicious. I love the main dining room. It's just really elegant and beautiful. It was just a really nice dinner. our first day on the Symphony of the Seas comes to a close. They had a 10,000 balloon drop and a dance party. What a great way to kick off our cruise on the Symphony of the Seas. So, guys, click that red subscribe button so you can join us on the rest of our cruise because we have more fun to come. You guys keep on dreaming and we'll see you then. Bye. Love you all.